Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shake effect to your footage in Premiere Pro. Let's jump right in. To get started, add your video clip to the timeline. Once that's set, we'll need to create an adjustment layer. Right-click inside the project panel, select New Item, and then choose Adjustment Layer. Drag this adjustment layer onto the track just above your video. Extend its length if needed. Next, we'll head over to the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Directional Blur. Drag this effect directly onto the adjustment layer you just added. Now, go up to the Effect Controls panel. Under the Directional Blur settings, adjust the blur length to around 30 to 40 for a decent shake. This is where you can fine-tune things later if needed. Move the playhead to where you want the shake effect to begin. Once you've found the right spot, adjust the start of the adjustment layer to match where your playhead is. Using the razor tool, make a cut in the adjustment layer frame by frame. Continue this for as long as you want the shake effect to last. After you've made all your cuts, go back and delete every other frame of the adjustment layer, starting with the second one. This will create that subtle shake effect without making it look too intense. When you play it back, you'll see the shake effect in action. If you want to repeat the effect, simply highlight all your cut sections of the adjustment layer, hold the Alt key, and drag them to duplicate. You can easily place them wherever you want the shake to happen again. And that's it. Now you've got a cool shake effect added to your video. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.